stay the night. I just wanna take the time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Roxy and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I put together this beautiful headband wig that I received from KlaiyiHair. So they sent me this beautiful, nice and light, curly 14-inch headband wig. So as you guys may already know, headband wigs are the new quick and easy way to get your hair done. So I'm just going to show you guys the inside of the wig. It comes with a nice little comb at the front there, and that's going to give you some good security and grip. And then it has the headband, which is the main support of the wig, that closes with a velcro strap. Now, you guys know my hair is super short, so to prep my hair, I decided to blow dry it, especially at the front, just to blow dry out any kinks or any tight curls. And this is gonna help for the gelling process, for the slicking process. It's gonna help slick back my hair a lot better and a lot faster. And this is something that I like to do when I'm putting on my headband wigs. So the edge tamer that I'm using is the Eben 24-hour edge tamer. I love this product. It works really well with my hair. It works really well with holding down my natural hair, making sure that it doesn't go anywhere. Let me know if any of you have tried this product and if it works well with your hair. I've had great positive experiences with it. So this is a product that I'm going to be using anytime I need to get my edges slicked and slayed without any type of relaxer or chemicals. So I decided to try to give myself some little swoops, something a little bit different besides the typical slick back. So I'm just trying to create a little bit of, not too much baby hairs, but like I said, some swoops at the side just to give it some personality, and it definitely worked out. So now I'm just putting a wig cap over the back portion of my head just to create a barrier between my hair and the headband wig itself. So guys, this is so easy. So I'm just going to take the wig and I'm just going to take the combs and just place it into my hair. And I'm making sure to leave enough of my hairline out to where it'll look more realistic. This is so easy, guys. I'm just going to take the band and just velcro it at the back. And just like that, I honestly have like a nice little cute hairstyle in less than 15 minutes. All right, so far, my first impression of the unit, it's a very nice and light put on and go type of wig. But I kind of wanted to give it some more body, so I decided to take a wide tooth comb and just comb it out, stretch out the curls, give it some volume and some oomph. So I realized, I could wear it like that as an alternative and give me like a nice, natural, voluminous look. But on the other hand, if you want a more defined look, you can go in with some mousse. So that's exactly what I did. I went in with the mousse to reverse the voluminous effect. And I just defined the curls and gave it like a nice wet set kind of look. So this definitely changes the dynamic of the wig. One thing I really love about this unit is that it comes layered. So you have some layers around the front. So it kind of gives you like a really nice natural look along with the nice lightness of the wig. So it's not too heavy and not too wiggy. Plus it comes with layers. So KlaiyiHair sent me a few headbands to kind of switch it up. I mean, it looks great like this. If you want to give it some personality, match an outfit, maybe just zhuzh it up a little bit, you can definitely switch out your headband. So I'm just gonna try on some of their headbands that they sent. You guys can take a look and just see how it kind of makes a difference. And I'm also showing you guys how I wore it dry and voluminous as well as wet and set. As you guys can see here, you're also able to put this up in a ponytail to give you a nice look. I'm going to leave all the details to this unit in the description box below. Don't forget to check out KlaiyiHair for their beautiful headband wigs. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as usual, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.